What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for watching another video. So today we're going to be going over the things that I hate about my Mark 6 TDI sport wagon. Like I said in the video previously, I was going to go over the things that I love about it and I hate about it. Now this video is definitely going to be a lot harder to make because nothing really immediate comes to mind about what I hate about this car. I can think about a couple of things right now that I'm going to go over, which is very subjective. It's just something that's not to my liking, and I know some people are going to say, oh, well, if you don't like those things, you easily could have bought a different one, you know, a different of the same car. But again, like I said, this was the best available deal for me at the time. So, you know, those little negatives that I do notice about the car really isn't going to outweigh what I love about it. So it's not really that big of a deal. But again, we're going to go over the things that I hate about the car, and I think hate is a strong word. So let's just say the things that I dislike to strongly dislike, because there's something that I really hate about this. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoy the video, and you know, in the comments, let me know what don't you like about yours too. So anyways, let's get right into it. Hey guys, so the first thing that I hate about this car is, so you see here obviously that I have the pano sunroof, right? And you see that little bundled up little roll of cloth over there. So that is what covers the pano sunroof when you obviously press this button so that this gets covered so no sun comes in. But recently it started giving me some problems, like it's not working 100%, but it's fine because even when it was over, I didn't really use it. But here, let me show you guys. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It might not work, but oh, there it goes. It might not work though, because sometimes it gives me, oh, there you go. And it gets stuck sometimes. I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, okay, so it's still having problems. But anyways, so just so you guys get a gist of it, as you can see, this is some like weird cheap cloth that covers it. I don't like the way it looks. It looks super cheap. It kind of sags, so even when it went all the way, it would sag a little bit sometimes, and I don't know, I just think it looks super bad. So I never really use it. I would always have it, you know, just put stuff in the back, not using it, because honestly, it looks terrible. That's the one thing that I don't like about it. It looks kind of cheap, and it doesn't go with the interior. And honestly, that tan that they use for it even looks like it's a little different color than the rest of the car. I could be wrong, I don't know, but I don't really like it. I don't know. Maybe there's something stupid. That's just, you know, that's just my opinion. That's my subjective opinion on it. I don't like it. That's why it's always stuffed in the back, and that's it. It doesn't really work, but whatever. That's number one. All right, guys. So the second thing that I don't love about this car is going to be the exterior color. Now, I know that's subjective, and I know you guys are going to say, oh, you easily could have found another color for the sport wagon, and you're right, I could have. But again, this was the best immediate deal that was available to me, and with the condition that the car is in, it is really dirty, but the interior is flawless. Pretty much the exterior has little dings here and there, but I can't even think of 3 things on this car that are imperfect. But anyways, this color is known as white gold metallic, so it's kind of a weird color. I don't really know how to explain it. Like in some lighting it looks gold, and in other lighting it looks kind of like silverish. I mean, it kind of shifts color, but I don't like it. I mean, if you guys look, I don't know if the camera really picks it up. I feel like on the camera it looks a little more silver than it does gold right now, but in some lighting it does get like this weird gold characteristic, like a sand kind of color. Oh, step on a twig, but I don't know, I don't like it. The color never really grew on me. I mean, it's not terrible. One of the reasons why the color is kind of hard to like is because when you go to mod it from wheels to anything, it's kind of hard to accent this with anything besides black. You know, if you were to have, you know, if I were to have gotten a white car or black car, something like that, it would have been easy to, like, you know, wheel color choice, accent colors and whatnot. But for this car, really, the only thing you could really accent it with is black, which is fine because I was probably going to do black wheels regardless. But again, I don't know, that's subjective. You know, there might be some of you out there that have the white gold metallic and you love it, and if you do, I'm glad. I mean, just for me, it's not really my taste, But again, just a little thing to nitpick about. It's not something that makes me hate the car. It's just, I wish I'd gotten another color, but again, for what I got it for, can't complain. Stick to the exterior. So another thing that I don't like about it are the headlights. I'm not a fan of Volkswagen's halogen headlights. I think they look kind of cheap. I might opt to get the same MK6 ones, but the LED, they have the LED strip around, and they have like the OEM HID. But these halogen lights, I don't know. I'm not a fan of them. To me, they look kind of cheap. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this is just stuff that I'm trying to find that, like, you know, doesn't scream to me that I love it. The headlights aren't terrible, but let me zoom in. I don't know. I just think they look kind of cheap in my opinion. I don't know. Like I said, I might be just nitpicking stuff just to find things that I don't like about it, because again, it is really hard to find stuff that I don't like about this car. But that's another thing. Probably going to be changing out the headlights, because I don't know, just not my they're not my forte. So yeah. All right guys, and last thing that I really don't like about this car, and it's not a big deal, but I'm actually doing it on the Mini as well, is I really am not a fan of the chrome trim that goes around the car. You can see we got the chrome trim here, and in the grille we got the chrome trim with the black. We've got the chrome emblem there, and there's a little other chrome pieces that are around the car. I hate chrome, and I think chrome on this color just does not look good. So I'm gonna be blacking out all the chrome trim on this car as well. I'm probably getting a new front grille that's gonna get rid of that chrome trim. You know, it's gonna be the same, but it's gonna be all black, and then probably a black emblem in the front, and I'm probably gonna do a black one in the rear as well. So I'm gonna be eliminating this, the front one, all the chrome around the car, and I'm probably gonna be taking off this Jetta badge there. But I think that's the last thing that I really don't like about the car. Like I said, it's just little subjective things that aren't huge. It's not a big deal. It's not gonna make me hate the car, but yeah guys, let me know what you think. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Once again, it was really hard to really find things that I didn't like about this car, because there's not many. The things that I mentioned, most people will probably say, oh, you know, that's your own fault. You probably could have gotten a different version of the car, or a different color of the car and whatnot. But again, it is the best car out there that was available at the time for the mileage, the money, and how clean it was. So again, I'm not going to complain. A lot of these things can be changed with a little bit of money. No, I'm probably not going to be changing the actual color of the car. That's just too much for a daily. I'd rather just put that money into my Mini Cooper, to be honest, or put that money towards my project car that I'm getting very soon, hopefully. So again, it's little things that I can change, and I'm going to. So that's going to come within due time. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Let me know the things that you don't like about your TDI cars. What about them? Or just your Volkswagen in general. Like, what did Volkswagen do that, you know, you absolutely love your car, but they just put or add stuff onto it that just make you not like something about it or whatnot. But yeah, again, these cars are always a love-hate relationship. So hopefully you guys enjoyed both parts of the video. The, you know, telling you what I love about the car and telling you what I don't like about the car. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let me know if I'm just being, you know, annoying and just being too picky, because again, this video was so hard to make because there's so much I love about this car that I really had to sit and think what I was going to talk about, what different things I didn't like about it. But anyways, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it lets YouTube know that I'm doing an okay job when I'm making my videos. It really helps me out. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, which is great. Like I said, hopefully my goal for this year is somewhere between 5,000 and 10,000, and then in the years after we go beyond that. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please, again, like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the rest of your day. Hopefully you end on a good note, and have a good one.